Hello to all dear students. In this video, we'll be discussing about serotonin. So, serotonin is also known as 5-hydroxytryptamine. It is abbreviated as 5-HT. About 90% of serotonin is found in the gut, and the rest, that is 10%, is found in platelets as well as in the brain. It is also found in the scorpion sting, and it is widely distributed in invertebrates as well as in plants such as banana plant, pear plant, pineapple, tomato plant. In these plants also serotonin is present apart from human body. Next, suppose this is your blood vessel and this is a blood clot. A substance is released from the blood clot into the serum, and as soon as this substance is released into the serum, it will lead to vasoconstriction. Later on, we found that this substance is nothing but serotonin. So, by this, you got to know one function of serotonin, that is to produce vasoconstriction. Okay, so from the blood clot, serotonin is released into the serum, and whenever it is released into the serum, it will produce vasoconstriction. Next, suppose this is your gastrointestinal tract. A substance is released from the enterochromaffin cells, and this substance is nothing but your enteramine. Okay, so enteramine is released from the enterochromaffin cells of your gastrointestinal tract, and it mainly causes contraction of the smooth muscle of your gastrointestinal tract. Later on, we found that enteramine is nothing but your serotonin. Okay, so serotonin is mainly released from the enterochromaffin cells of your gastrointestinal tract, and it causes stimulation of your smooth muscle. Previously, we thought that this substance might be enteramine, but later on we found that this enteramine is nothing but serotonin only. Okay, so at this point, you understood there are two role of serotonin. First role is to produce vasoconstriction, and second role is to cause stimulation of your smooth muscle of gastrointestinal tract. Stimulation is nothing but contraction or increase of peristaltic movement. Fine. Next, we'll check out the structure of your serotonin. Now you know what is this ring. This structure is a indole. Now on the pentagon ring will have an alpha position and a beta position. On the beta position, we have a methyl, another methyl, and a amino group. So CH2, CH2, NH2 is nothing but amino ethyl. Now, what is the location of this amino ethyl? On the beta position. So we say it as beta amino ethyl indole. Next, the hexagon ring that you can see will have numbering to it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On the fifth position, we need to add OH group. So we call it as 5-hydroxy. So this is the structure of your serotonin. Chemically, it is beta amino ethyl 5-hydroxy indole, also known as 5-hydroxytryptamine. Okay, so this is the structure of your serotonin, also known as 5-hydroxytryptamine, also known as 5-HT, or also known as beta amino ethyl 5-hydroxy indole. Next, we'll check out the synthesis of serotonin.